The Polycom VVX201 is an entry-level, two-lined IP phone with two Ethernet ports and delivers HD sound quality and a wide range of benefits. The VVX201 improves productivity for small businesses and medium-sized organizations through its simple operation. It reduces deployment, administration, and maintenance costs. It leverages previous investments in SIP and Microsoft Call Control platforms, and it's easy to integrate with third-party unified communications applications. The main menu of the VVX201 has icons and status indicators to help phone navigation. The call screen is displayed during an active call or when a call is on hold. The line screen is displayed when the phone is idle. It shows the phone's sidelines as well as favorites. Placing and answering calls on the VVX201 is simple. Dial using the 12-key dial pad or select a favorite on screen. Calls can be placed and answered using the handset, speakerphone or headset. To switch among these modes during a call, simply press the button for the desired device. To place a call on hold from the call screen, press the Hold Soft key. Held calls can be viewed from both the call and line screens. To resume a held call from either screen, select the call and select Resume. The VVX201 can use analog-type headsets. Once connected, the phone can be set up to automatically use the headset for all calls. The VVX201 can sign into Microsoft Skype for Business if the call control platform is deployed. To sign in, select Settings, Basic, Login credentials. Enter login credentials or the phone's extension and PIN. A confirmation message is displayed when the phone successfully signs in. When the VVX201 is signed in, conference calls can be initiated with Skype for business contacts directly from the phone. The phone can also manage conference participants, enable announcements, and lock a conference. Each VVX201 can be on one in-progress conference call at a time, but it can manage up to 24 active Skype for Business conference calls. The Polycom VVX Business Media Phone portfolio offers the leading IP desktop solutions in the marketplace today.